So what have you learned using the product?
Well, we had one little faux pas bump in the road. So we've been using the, this is the conditioning treatment, this is the shampoo. So, you know, at the end of the day when your son is 6 and you just want to get him into dinner, bath, and bed, it's like, all right, let's hurry this up. So grab the shampoo, do his hair, all is well. All is well, all is well, all is well. Until one day he was at school and somebody in his class got lice. I was like, let me check your head, just for fun. So I check his head and there was lice. So I call you up in a panic. Your son has lice. For no reason did it ever cross my mind that your product didn't work. That wasn't the option in my head. I'm like, no, I did something wrong. I know I did.
And what was the first question I asked you?
You said, Carrie, are you using the conditioner too? I said, oh, sometimes. At which point you told me that the conditioner has the most concentrated and active ingredient in the product. And I'm thinking, well, you know, I'm just gonna shampoo him real fast. It's gonna prevent the lice. My son has really short hair. He doesn't need conditioner. Like I need conditioner because I have long, tangly hair. But when I read the instructions after the fact, I was like, oh, so my fault.
And you and your husband split bath time, so you're doing it, he's doing it.
Nobody knew that we had to do both.
Which I do want to say, you are not the only one who hasn't followed the instructions, and knowing that people tend not to read, they, oh, shampoo and conditioner, I know how to do that. So what we've changed as a result of some feedback is putting the directions and instructions on prevention on one side of the sheet, and on the other, the instructions for eradication of lice. So this way, when you receive the product, that's the first thing you see, and you then know how to use it.